much of it.
Anna. I do the hard work and everybody else likes to do the easy work.
Tell me about it. Story of my life, Josh. This is where you become a father. You'll be lugging all the luggage, shoveling all the snow.
Oh yeah, it's a PlayStation. Memories. You going in the water cell?
I went up to my knees and my legs became numb. I didn't walk anymore.
All right, you guys got to bury him now. Come on, I got the video camera going.
I'll bury you. How do you want to be? Get my legs more. I did all the easy work. All the hard work. Everybody. I gotta get my stomach too.
We're gonna hire the homeless to bury you, Josh.
Hey, not in my eyes.
Be careful of his face. Now do you tell them that the tide is actually coming in or out? It's right behind him. The water's splashing at the back of his head. There's a lot more sand over here, guys, to put on top of him so it doesn't crack every time he breathes.
Want to join in? Yeah. More over here. More to my left side, Anna. More over here.
See, Mom and the girls, and Bert and Ned, and B, they're all going to,
Joshy, what's going on? Tide's coming in.
Don't breathe anymore. Cover my shoulder.
Diverse enough. Okay. I think they have. It's not that.
wow.
Oh, yeah, sunglasses. Oh, people got sunglasses. No itches, stupid.
She said kiss it or itch it. Brandon kissed it. No. Josh had an itch on his nose. Brandon thought he said kiss it and kissed it. No. He said itch it, you stupid. What a goof, huh?
I stepped on it by accident.
Oh, I'm sure.
To be nice to my
I
Josh.
stepped on it by accident.
Hey, it's that head with one arm. The crab. The fiddler crab.
It's a crab that got bitten by a
Here,
seagull.
here's some breadcrumbs. Throw them all around Josh and let the seagulls come down.
Can you put a rice cake each here? No.
There you go. There you are.
Yeah. Fire ringlet.
We're on the no. You're right in front of me.
Yeah, look, the fire ringlet.
Joshua, look.
I did.